Did you know that most people who are overweight because they do not eat enough? And most people follow all different kinds of fashion diets that doesn't work. Today I'm going to tell you about the FIT system. The FIT system contains of C9, F15 and Vital 5, and this will give you the dream body and vitality for the rest of your life. The C9 is a box that contains all the products that you need and a very, very good leaflet telling you exactly what to do. The box contains several different products that will help you on your way to get the perfect detox and help your intestines be able to absorb the nutrients in your body that you need for losing weight. The C9 is a 9-day program to follow to reach the detox of your life. The C9 works as the pre-wash. This is what you do before you do the big wash, the big cleanse of the body. And the F15 is the main program. The F15 contains the same products as the C9, but it has a different objective. The F15 is the program you need if you want to lose weight for good, to stay off. But it also is the program to help you get in better shape, to get your condition on top, and to build your body in the best possible way. The F15 contains of 3 different levels. You have the beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And this system is made for anyone, regardless of what level you are on. If you have never been in a fitness center or if you used to work out every day. This program is actually an education to understand your body and the foods you need in order to build your body and to lose weight. The beginner are for those who has never been in a fitness center and know nothing about food. Intermediate are for those who knows a little about training, doesn't train very often, gains a little bit of weight, but doesn't really know what to eat in order to help it. And the advanced is for those who has very well knowledge about food, are used to go to the fitness center, but needs to turn it up a notch and get that extra shredded and get that extra fitness form on top. So how long are you on the F15? For me, for example, I'm used to work out every day. So what I did, I started actually to read all the booklets because for me it was a very good education. But I started on the intermediate level because I wanted to get that fitness routine in. Because it depends, different level has different form of trainings, and it's very good for your body to adapt to new exercises. And then I went over to the advanced, and for me it's the best. And I still use this program in between, even though I have reached my goal weight, and I'm very happy as I look now. So C9 is the first step in the FIT system. 9 days to detox, to cleanse your intestines, to ensure maximum absorption of nutrition. After F15, and how long you do the F15 depends on what your goal is. But stick to it until you reach your goal, because this is a very, very good system and it works. Remember, stick to the book. Do not eat less than what it says. It's very important if you want to lose weight. When you're done with the F15 and you have reached your goal, you go to the 3rd step. And the 3rd step is Vital 5. Vital 5 is the base of good nutrition. You need to use the Vital 5 in order to ensure to keep the good results from your hard work with the C9 and F15. This will ensure your health and well-being for all future. So I use this every month, every day, and it makes me happy. So if you want to be fit, get the form of your life and have a good life, do what I do. Use the FIT system. It's easy and it's actually fun. So I wish you good luck and have fun with the FIT system. I'm Martina Banack. Thank you from me.